I've got something super exciting today for 3 reasons. First, we're going to make really inexpensive meal. Kids are going to love it. Adults are going to love it. Root beer glazed chicken. Second, I got this brand new pellet smoker. You know, it's like a kid in a candy store, right? When you get a new smoker, you get a new grill. And third, this is what's important to all my viewers. I'm going to give away this brand new to the market ASMOKE Pellet Smoker. That's right. I'm going to give one away. Let's get the disclaimer out of the way. This ASMOKE Pellet Grill was provided courtesy of ASMOKE. Let me show you this ASMOKE grill. Comes with a couple of latches here when you're moving it around. All right. Here's what the inside looks like. 256 square inches of cooking space. Here's a grill grate. I'm getting ready to cook. I do have everything covered in full. I want to keep it as nice as possible as long as I can. It comes with this additional accessory rack here, so you can get some more cooking space, right? Really nice added feature. Here's where the pellets go. Instructions say you can put 4 pounds of pellets in there. And speaking of pellets, it comes with this bag of ASMOKE applewood pellets. You know, it's kind of nice if you're new to smoking. It's going to come with everything you need to get started. I've already opened it up and did the burn off, you know what I mean, to get the grill ready. It also comes with all these accessories. You can see it comes with branded ASMOKE tongs. I've already washed those. That's why they're out of the bag. All right. Look at this. Couple of grilling gloves. Then it comes with some, look at that. You want to smoke a pork butt, picnic shoulder. Comes with, you know, to shred the pork. And then it comes with a meat probe, right? Meat probe sits in here when you're not using it. And then there's a place here on the panel where you can connect it, use that to keep a temperature check on your protein, right? So it's got everything you need if you're just getting started. Now, if you're a subscriber of my channel, you probably know how I'm going to start this off. Right? Binder, duck fat. Why duck fat? Duck fat makes chicken skin crispy. If you don't have duck fat, you don't want to buy duck fat, then don't. You can use olive oil. You can use whatever other binder you want. But your skin, at the temps we're going to cook at, it's not going to be quite as crispy as mine if you don't use the duck fat. That's pretty easy. Now, we're using this 4-time American Royale World Champion Yardbird, easy for me to say, rub. Now, I chose this one because it's not spicy. You're going to taste sweet first, and I told you we were going to make these kid-friendly. And frankly, a lot of my viewers don't like spice. I know I use cayenne and sometimes a little ghost, reaper, whatever. If you don't have this, you know, you can use a salt, pepper, garlic, or you can use a pork rub if that's what you want it. But if you want this championship rub, I will put a link in the iCard in the description box below. You can read about it. You can see the ingredients, etc. All I'm going to do is, as you might imagine, is season this side. And then we're going to move them over to this ASMOKE portable pellet grill. Just going to open the lid on this ASMOKE. Get our chicken legs on here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see I've got 13 of those bad boys on here. We're just going to close the lid. See, we got some nice smoke. The vents are in the back. Now, I've got this set on the smoke setting. You see it's 210. When you first turn this on a smoke setting, it'll run up to 300, I've noticed, or 325, whatever. But then it comes right back down. It'll be below 200 in no time. This smoker heats up really quick like that. It's probably not even 10 minutes later. You can see we still got our nice smoke going. This is what I was mentioning. You see how this temperature settled in at 165? I really like that this doesn't take long to heat up. It's been 1 hour. Just want to show you what they look like. We're starting to get some nice color on them. They're nowhere near done, right? This first hour was just to get smoke on them. Now we're going to get them cooked. I'm going to turn these guys up to 300, 350, 300. Let's finish them off there. Good old-fashioned A&W root beer. I got a can and a half, 18 ounces. Let me get this burner on high. Got 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. Let's do 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of, what's this here sauce? Now what we want to do is add about half a teaspoon, a little more, ground ginger. Yes, sir, ground ginger. And then 1/3 cup ketchup. It's going to be delicious. And the last, well, not the last, second to last thing I'm going to add in here. 1, oops, maybe a little bit more than 1, 2 tablespoons of molasses. Molasses is kind of like bacon. It makes everything better. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Reduce this down a little bit. Last thing I decided I'm going to add, that's about 2/3 of a teaspoon of dried garlic powder. Right? Garlic always goes good with just about everything. It's been another 30 minutes. I love how this digital display is really easy to see. What I'm going to do now is turn these chicken legs over. I don't know, that skin is starting to crisp up a little bit now that we turned the temp up. Just going to get them all turned over. Get the lid down. Let them go maybe 10, 15 minutes. We'll check them again. And then start glazing them with that root beer glaze. Lid back down. You can see this sauce is thickened up. Going to turn the fire off. It's probably, on all the bubbles, it's hard to tell. It's probably reduced by somewhere between 1/3 and 1/2. Now I got 3 tablespoons of butter. Just going to let this butter melt down. Like I said, I've turned the heat off. I want it to melt slowly. It's been about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Look at the color on them. They're getting up to around 155, 157. It depends on which one. I'm going to hit this top side up with this root beer glaze. I can't wait. You just know it's going to be delicious, right? So let me get each one of these guys glazed up. Then I'm going to get the lid down. We'll let it go another 15, 20 minutes or so. Then we'll turn them over, glaze the other side. It's been another 15 minutes. I cranked this guy on up to 350. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. Look at the beautiful, beautiful color on those chicken legs. They are getting super close. Just going to turn each one over. We're going to sauce this other side. So far, pretty impressed with this ASMOKE. Kids are going to love these. Adults are going to love these. It's been just about 2.5 hours. These legs are done. We're going to get them off here. You know the drill. We're going to do a taste test. I'm going to let you know how these root beer chicken legs turned out. All right, let's finish this video up right where we started. Got my chicken legs here. Look at the look at the color on them, huh? Let's give one a try. You see a little pink smoke ring from that smoker. In fact, the first flavor I got was 2 flavors. Smoke, the applewood smoke from those pellets, and then I got the sweetness from that root beer glaze. I'm sorry, I know that's super rude. Those chicken legs are awesome. They got a sweetness to them. The molasses contributes to it. The root beer contributes to it. You know, we put a little ginger in there. I tried that. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't taste the ginger. If you want the ginger flavor, you're going to need to add more ginger to it. I do get that garlic. Those chicken legs are super, super juicy. I'm telling you, kids are going to love them. Adults are going to love them. This is my second cook with the ASMOKE. I'm digging it so far. Now let's talk about how you can enter to win one of these ASMOKE pellet grills. Okay? What I'm going to do is from the date that this video publishes, 3 weeks from that date, I'll publish a video. We'll do another ASMOKE video, and I'll announce the winner. To enter in the contest, you have to leave a comment on this video. I use a random comment picker, and we're going to pick a winner. You can't leave a comment on next week's video or the week after. I mean, I hope you do, but that won't enter you in the contest, okay? And then I'm going to announce the winner in the cook 3 weeks from now. If you don't respond, I'm not going to track you down. I'm going to give you a week, and I'm going to pull a new winner, and then we're just going to keep going from there. You have got to watch these videos if you want to know if you're going to win this pellet grill smoker from ASMOKE. And I want to just thank the folks from ASMOKE for partnering with me and giving one of these away.